Are you constantly dealing with a guilt trip? Do you feel overwhelmed by an endless to-do list that just never gets shorter? Traditional planning methods fail because they don't protect your most valuable asset, your time. Stop wishing you had more hours. This is the Time Blocking Masterclass. In the next 8 minutes, you'll learn the only system you need to permanently eliminate procrastination and reclaim your day. So, what is time blocking? It's simple. Instead of just listing tasks, you assign a specific block of time to every task on your calendar. Why is this so much better? Because a list says, do this sometime, but time blocking says, do this now from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It creates a forced commitment, protecting your schedule from distractions and giving you back control. The first step in our block-by-block system is the brain dump. Get every single task, big or small, out of your head and onto a single page. Next, we perform a task triage. Sort your tasks into 3 categories. A, urgent and important, must be done today. B, important, not urgent. Tasks that build your future, e.g., project work, learning. C, non-essential, small chores or administrative tasks. Pro tip, your A tasks are non-negotiable, but your B tasks are where your career growth happens. Before adding tasks, you need an ideal week template. Block out fixed commitments first. Sleep, meals, family time, and exercise. These are your anchors. Now, dedicate blocks to deep work. This is the core of the system. Deep work means focusing without distraction on a Category B task. Crucial rule: identify your peak energy hours. If you're a morning person, schedule your most demanding deep work blocks from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Never waste your best hours on checking email. This is where most people fail. They overschedule. You must include buffers. Schedule a 15-minute buffer between major tasks. This allows you to manage unexpected calls or simply grab a coffee. Next, incorporate the 50-10 rule. Block 50 minutes of intense focus followed by a non-negotiable 10-minute break. This structure maximizes focus and prevents burnout. Remember, breaks are essential for sustained productivity. Which tool is best? The answer is the one you will actually use. If you love simplicity, use a paper planner. If you need portability and integration, use Google Calendar. For advanced users, tools like Notion and ClickUp offer amazing flexibility. If you want to know exactly how to set this system up in Notion or ClickUp, check out the tutorials linked in the description below. Your final most important tip for mastering time blocking is this: don't strive for perfection. Your schedule will break. You will miss a block. That's normal. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be intentional. At the end of the day, review your schedule and plan the very next block. That's how you win. If this system resonated with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more productivity secrets every week. Ready to set this up digitally? Watch my next video on the 5-minute Notion time blocking setup right here.